The diagnosis of COVID is becoming exceedingly important nowadays, and the only method of diagnosing at present is very costly and time taking also. So, the scientists are thinking how to diagnose in a or screen the cases in a easier and faster way. So, I have some suggestions regarding that. Uh, Firstly, we can use an infrared camera to take a photograph of the face, and since the nose area is inflamed, and we can detect in the thermal camera the recording and probably screen a case, that COVID case. Second method, we can take an endoscopic photo of the inside of the nasal cavity and analyze it by computer based algorithms, and we can find out whether the patient can be COVID infected or not. Third, we can take the resistance between the both sides of the nasal cavity, and since the nasal cavity is inflamed and edematous, the resistance is decreased. So we can detect it and can analyze it again with a computer based system, and predict the possibility of COVID infection. Fourth, uh, the sense of smell is reduced in a COVID case. So we can ask the patient to smell various essential oils, and if they are unable to detect the type of smell, so that is again very suggestive of COVID, because this is a virus which is specifically it affects the sense of smell at earliest. Next, uh, we can do the temperature study also. The temperature is naturally increased in most of the cases, so that is also a suggestive sign of COVID infection. Uh, so these are the some ways by which we can possibly screen the COVID cases in early stage.